Google just made Nano Banana and VO3 completely free inside Whisk. The best part is that not only are you getting these two powerful tools for free, but they also work seamlessly together to create really good videos. Another thing here is that inside Whisk, you are not going to get the stupid AI watermark, which is really good. Now, to access Google Whisk, you just search Whisk AI Google and click on the first link that pops up. Here you only need a Google account to sign up. You don't need any credit card or anything else. Inside Whisk, it is going to look something like this. If you click Add Images, there are going to be 3 sections where you can upload an image of a subject, upload the image of a scene, and also mention the style of the image. You can also generate images here for free. For example, if you type a picture of a dog, then you can run the prompt, and the images are generated really quickly. As you can see, the images are really good, and there is actually no distortion. Now, the pictures generated here are produced by Image Gen 4 of Google, and the editing workflow, where you edit these images, is done by Nano Banana. Even though Nano Banana is really cool, it is bad at generating images, and is only good for editing images. So here you can generate images using Imagen 4 of Google, which is a really good AI image generating model. And to edit these images, you just need to click on the image and put it in the place of a subject. Then you can describe the scene by uploading an image or by entering a text, and the scene is basically the place where we are going to place our subject. For this, I am just going to write a playground. So this is the image that the AI model has generated. You can also click on the dice button, and if you do, the AI model will randomly select a scene or randomly select a style for your images. After you have selected your subject, your scene, and the style of the image, if you click here, then you are going to get a new image generated by Nano Banana. Now, there seems to be a problem that there are minors in this image, and Google does not allow image editing where there are pictures of children. So I have selected a new scene. Now let's see what happens when I click on this button. It seems like Nano Banana is generating this image without any problem. Let's see what kind of image it creates. These are the 2 images that Google's Nano Banana has created, and as you can see, these images have the same dog, but the style of the image is different, and the scene is also different. I think that Google Nano Banana forgot to add the scene in this image. It just added the style of this image and the subject of the dog. The pictures look really cool, and the image is actually great. Now I'm going to create another scene and also pick another style. Let's pick this style and this specific scene of this building and keep the subject the same. Now I'm going to rerun the prompt and see what happens. This time, the image generations are really amazing. As you can see, Nano Banana was able to keep the subject of this dog and the background or the scene of this image and the style of this toy. Therefore, the images look really cool. The best part here is that this workflow works seamlessly, and it is better to use Nano Banana in Whisk because you get all these settings. For example, I can change the aspect ratio here. There are options to generate in any aspect ratio. For this, I'm going to choose the portrait mode, which is the mode of YouTube Shorts. Again, I will generate the images in this specific aspect ratio, and as you can see, the Nano Banana model was successfully able to generate the images in the aspect ratio that I wanted here, because that is an official option in Whisk. Whereas if you use the Gemini app to try to do the same thing, like I gave Nano Banana here a prompt to resize this image to the aspect ratio of 16:9, which is the aspect ratio of a long-form YouTube video, the model did not understand my prompt at all and gave me back the same image. So Whisk also fixes the huge problem of aspect ratios. So let's just create a new subject. But I think that I will keep this character in this image as my subject, and now I am going to generate a scene. I think that this scene looks quite cool, so I am going to just select it. Then I am also going to generate a random style for this image. I really like this style of the image, so I'm just going to select it. Now I am going to generate it in the aspect ratio of a YouTube video and see what happens. These are the 2 images that the AI model has created, and at first I thought, why is there a dinosaur in this image? Then I realized that I had selected the subject of the dinosaur also, so I just unselected that and retried to regenerate the image, and this time the image was really cool. This image actually looks quite good, and there is not much distortion in the image. Now I am going to show you how to actually use VO3 here for completely free. Basically, after generating the image you like, you just click on this image and click on the animate button. After clicking on the animate button, you can prompt the AI model to make the character do specific actions in the video, or you can just let the AI model randomly choose what the character does in the video. For this video, I just let the AI model randomly choose by not giving it any prompt. Let's see what kind of video the AI model generates. This is the video that VO3 has generated. As you can see, this video looks quite cool, and there is actually sound in this video. Sometimes you will face a problem where there is going to be no sound in the video, but that is quite rare, so if you face that problem, just regenerate the video. I also tried another video generation with VO3 here. I tried to animate this specific image that I created with Nano Banana, and this is the video that VO3 generated. As you can see, the movement of the characters actually matches with the style of the image, which is really cool. The best part here is that even in the free mode, the video generations are really fast, and the best thing is that the workflow is quite good. Now for each account, it's only 5 generations, but you have the option to use different accounts. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.